Welcome to Mint. You ready for an unforgettable experience? Let's get you up to speed on everything you need to know.
Move in and make yourself at home. We've got a place for your shoes, your laptop, your personal item, and any other odds and ends you may have brought on board.
Safety first. Make sure your seatbelt is buckled across your lap and across your shoulder for taxi, takeoff, and landing.
You can remove the shoulder harness once we get to 10,000 feet.
All our suites have a door for extra privacy. Simply pull the latch and the door will slide closed. To open it, just grab the top of the door and push. Prefer to not be disturbed during your flight? Press the Do Not Disturb button.
You've got a few lights in your suite, an overhead light, an adjustable reading light, and your very own mood light. You can adjust the color and brightness too.
If you're seated in one of our front row Mint studios, you'll enjoy the largest lie-flat bed and TV of any US airline, a mirrored vanity and more storage, and an extra seat and table to work, lounge, and entertain.
Let's talk tech. Your TV can be pulled towards you and adjusted to your perfect viewing angle. You can tap the screen, use the remote, or connect your phone and use that as a wireless remote.
Your suite has multiple charging outlets, a cord organizer, and an electronics ledge, perfect for viewing position. Prefer to go wireless? The wireless charger is available for all compatible mobile devices.
We offer free, unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi. To get online, simply join the FlyFi network and log in at www.flyfi.com.
Need headphones? We've got noise-isolating Master Dynamic headphones for you to borrow at any time during your flight.
When it's time to eat, your table can be opened like this. Every flight offers an immersive dining experience, including a rotating menu of fresh, seasonal small plates from Manhattan hotspots, Pasquale Jones, Charlie Bird, or Legacy Records, complemented by a custom playlist.
We also offer a full beverage service with an international artisan wine list, craft beers, and cocktails shaken on board.
When you've reached snoozing altitude, your seat turns into a lie-flat bed, made with the same Tuft Needle adaptive foam that's used in their award-winning mattresses.
Our Tuft Needle sleep experience also includes a memory foam pillow, customizable blanket, and snooze kit. You'll find all the ways to use the blanket on the back of the case.
To keep you feeling your best on board and beyond, our friends at Wanderfuel have curated your wellness kit with a unique assortment of healthful essentials based on the time of day and route that you're flying.
And of course, our friendly crew is here for you if you need anything during the flight.
Thanks again for joining us, and welcome aboard JetBlue.